Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Cadillac SRX headlight. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a new headlight bulb, a screwdriver, and possibly a trim removal tool. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine has cooled down completely before you begin. Safety first. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. You'll typically find a few retaining clips or screws holding it in place. Carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. This will give you enough room to work on the bulb without needing to remove other components. With the assembly accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, carefully twist the old bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. Handle the new bulb by its base to avoid touching the glass, then insert it and twist clockwise to secure. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it seats correctly. Reinstall all the retaining clips or screws you removed earlier. Once secured, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.